guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to breed a mushroom. Okay, you usually find these ones on Mushroom Island. Also, please like and subscribe, it helps the YouTube algorithm. So I don't want to go all the way to Mushroom Island because that's actually really hard to find. So we're just going to spawn two in like this. And then they're going to have a baby mushroom cow that hasn't grown his yet. But also there's a fact about these things. So, oh my gosh. Let's get the shears out. Look at this, guys. They have an infection. So you just want to shear them. They'll turn into normal cows. And the baby will be, where's my mom and dad? Because I don't have any home. But they basically eat the same thing that cows do. Wait. Hi, I'm gonna make you grow up so I can help you. You're better now. But also if you shear them, you get mushrooms. No matter what, it will always give you mushrooms. That is great. And that means mushrooms too for the rest of your life if you live on Mushroom Island. Well,